I love Dana Point. Are you kidding me? What is not to love?
We think that Solumina is going to be foundational for our digital transformation in production operations.
We could see and we could make the decisions that we needed to do to increase our production rate and ramp that production line as quickly as possible.
I would love to have a house right here. Maybe you can set up a Lockheed Martin villa that we can rent out periodically.
Those that have the vision that things should be done better, to get rid of the paper in the factory, to reduce the labor content in the manufacturing process, that's a risky venture. But I would applaud those that are on that journey, because it is the essential journey that will make the difference to our future.